Jaden.
Here.
Jackson.
Here.
Colton.
Here.
Danilyn.
Here.
Kirsten. Kirsten!
Huh?
Haley.
Here.
Like that excavator.
The excavator?
Yeah,
How'd you know that?
because I knew that excavators things are long.
Yeah? Their
They-
arms on them are long?
Yeah.
Cool.
And they
You
can-
love all these tractors and excavators?
Yeah.
What do you think about that barn?
It looks pretty good,
It
Dad.
looks pretty good.
Yeah, this would be a nice place for me to live when grown, Daddy.
Yeah, I think so too, buddy.